Derivatives of trigonometric functions, then the quantity of. So we have here number 1, f of x equals to cosecant the quantity of 7x cubed minus 5. So to find the derivative, we have to write f prime of x, then the derivative of cosecant, that is negative cosecant x, cotangent x. So since the cosecant right here is 7x cubed minus 5, so we simply copy 7x cubed minus 5. 7x cubed minus 5 times the derivative of the inside parentheses. So that is 7 times 3, 21 x squared. So now, our answer will be 21 times negative cosecant 7x cubed minus 5. That will be negative 21x squared. Then cosecant 7x cubed minus 5. Then cotangent 7x cubed minus 5. That will be our answer for number 1. So number 2, 3,